Hi, this is Katie with 1284 and Optical X. Today I'm going to walk you through how to place an order for frame only on the optical-x.com website. So first you'll go to www.theoptical-x.com and you'll click on My Account where you can log in. Once you're logged in and you are on your dashboard page, on the left side here you'll click on Ordering and then you'll click on Frame Only Order. So we'll pull up a list of all of the frames that are eligible for ordering, and you will just pick whichever frame you need and what color you want to get, and then you'll click Add to Cart. You can order multiple frames in one order if you need to, or just one. Then you'll click on View Cart once you have made your selections here. And then this will default to, whatever address you have on file. You do have the option to change the address in the checkout. So you'll click on Proceed to Checkout. And here you will put in your office details here because this is where we will bill you. And if you need this drop shipped to a lab or somewhere other than your office, you can fill this in here. If you need a patient name assigned to the order, you will free text it in this box. Then this will review what you have, and you will want to designate whether these frames, if they are for a patient warranty, please indicate that here, or if it is a frame only sale or something you sold off your board, indicate that by clicking New Frame Order. And then you will click Place Order. Once you click that, you will get a confirmation screen and you will get an email confirming your order shortly after to the email address that is on file with your Optical X account. Thank you.